Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss any other future video from my technological world. Today in this video we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy M20, which is an upcoming smartphone by Samsung. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.13-inch touchscreen display. Let's have a look. Samsung is gearing up to introduce the Galaxy M series of smartphones. As we find out, the support page for the Galaxy M20 has already went live on Samsung website. The brand will be bringing the Galaxy M10, Galaxy M20 and the Galaxy M30 in early 2019. It's worth nothing that the Galaxy M series is a replacement lineup for the Galaxy J series from Samsung. The J series was the company's budget front for the users, taking a cue from the not so impressive sales chart of the J series phones that packed mediocre specs at comparatively higher pricing than the better budget phones from Xiaomi, Realme, Asus and others. The Galaxy M series will be refreshing the budget segment of the Samsung. For starters, the Galaxy M series phones will pack premium features to give the much needed push to Samsung in the budget segment. They will have Infinity V displays, which looks similar to the water drop notch display that we have seen on the recently launched phones from Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus and others. Samsung calls it Infinity V display because it's from the V shape at the bottom. The Samsung Galaxy M20 mobile features a 6.13-inch or a 15.57 centimeters display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and runs on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 processors, paired with 3 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 5000 mAh battery. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel cameras. Other sensors include a light sensor, proximity sensor. So does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali G71 MP2 GPU. Onboard storage is 32 GB with the option to expand 512 GB. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding Samsung Galaxy M20. Tell us in the comments below how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. Till the next video, take very good care of yourself and bye-bye.